The uber popular Vajacial. If you're an esthetician, you're probably getting requests to do this service.
And if that's the case, this Vajacial Kit from Prana Spaceuticals is le creme de la creme.
So we want to do an unboxing so you guys can see what is inside. So it comes with everything you need. It's really nice because everything is numbered from 1 to 5, so you know exactly what you're going to be doing next. Number 1 we have is the Hoo Ha Cleanser. Keep in mind all of these products are pH balanced.
And made for intimate wellness.
Number 2, we have the Pearly Polish, so you're going to be getting your first form of exfoliation. Number 3, we have the Fresh Peach Enzyme Mask, so that's going to be your second dose of exfoliation. Number 4 is the Buff Solution with Advanced Dermal Sensory Correction.
This is also really nice after a Brazilian wax too, so keep in mind you can use these products in different ways.
Number 5 is my personal favorite. This is the Kool-Aid Calming Gel Mask.
Love it.
Smells amazing, feels so cool. This is what's going to give you that soft glow. You can do this mask in additional or instead of the Kool-Aid mask. This is an AHA BHA refining mask, so you're going to be getting more exfoliation from it.
Great for ingrown hairs.
If you're pairing this with a waxing service, you'd opt for the Kool-Aid mask. If you're not, then go for the AHA BHA. Sheet masks, they're heart-shaped, so they're an intimate luxury sheet mask for calming.
And anything that's going to cause irritation, this is your go-to mask.
And for your last step for moisturizing, there is the Prickly Milk Serum, and this just feels so nice on the skin. You can actually use this as a full body moisturizer. It's just beautiful.
There you have it, the perfect Vajacial Kit for all of your intimate services.